I didn't hear you.
There are some great porcelain traffic signs from
Oh.
like the 50s back in the alley.
Oh, that's cool. We'll check that out. So I'm at Sign of the Beefcarver, which is a restaurant that has been in the Detroit area for a long time. They had many locations, but they've fallen out of favor, and this is the last one. And this is in Royal Oak, Michigan. And it's very like 1970s themed restaurant. They do have video screens now, unfortunately, but I understand. And this place has been the same for many, many decades. You get a tray, you got shrimp cocktail, side salad, we got coleslaw, jello, peaches and cottage cheese, I think. Kind of like a melon salad kind of a thing. Maybe like a potato salad, fruit salad, and this is the best part. Hey, how you doing? No.
Oh, no, I didn't see you.
Just an enthusiast.
He said just an enthusiast.
I'm just an enthusiast.
TikTok, YouTube, or
Yeah, it's going on YouTube. I used to come here as a kid.
Yes, sir. Yeah, a lot of people say it's been around since 1957.
Yeah.
Used to be 14 locations, even 2
Yeah,
in
we
Illinois.
didn't come to this one. We went to a different one, but
This
we
is the first one and
Yeah.
the last.
Yep, I know. That's why I'm here. We used to go probably once a week. Probably go once a week. We were pretty diehard about the Beefcarver growing up.
Definitely appreciate the business.
You can slice them outside, cut in there. You can slice them outside, cut in there. Yeah, and you got the soup. Let's do it. That's a wrap.
And you want just gravy on here, right?
That's what I like.
When I was a kid, this would be like 40 people in line. It was packed out. I'd like the cod with mashed potatoes and beef gravy, please. And
tartar sauce too?
just the tartar sauce, please.
And how about anything else for you, G?
Can I get some of this?
Yeah, the beef stew. You want
Yeah.
the side of it?
Yeah, just a side of the beef stew. Thank you.
Anything else on that?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
That's it.
Hi, how are you?
Take it easy.
You want any crackers? Where you want to sit today?
And they have this garlic bread, which is kind of like unique. I've never seen garlic bread like this before. And then they always have a great selection of pies. And we're just gonna have to go with the cream cheese, because I mean not cream cheese, cheesecake.
You want any mashed potatoes or gravy?
Piece of butter. Awesome. I don't know why the cafeteria style just never catches on in America. Just never really caught on. Very few places have been able to make a go of a cafeteria style food.
Oh, it's up front? Oh, up front, yeah.
Check out this old school water filling station.
Do you want us to wait for a little or start this?
And I want like every one of these desserts. That cream pie looks good. That honey looks
Miss
good.
Lady. We waited a little bit. 4 bowls. No, okay. I don't know if you can read it kind of.
Oh, that's Mark down there.
Got this
Good, how
old
are
school
you?
awning
I can normally tell by
situation
your
back
order.
there.
Get like 4 bowls.
Yeah, it has the like 1776 kind of bicentennial vibe they had in the 70s going on here.
Or get it ready now?
The secret way doesn't matter, because
Okay.
we're not gonna be whole day to find each other.
Alright.
Getting home in time for the game though, right?
I'll be home in time. I don't know about the rest of you.
I'm hoping to be home in time.
Dude, you want one of these or one of these? I recommend it.
Yeah, but I
Coconut
don't know.
cream.
They might
Yeah, I mean they're all good, but
Never had it.
oh, you gotta get a dessert here.
No, I wrote down for you.
You can get more than one. You're not coming here for years anyway. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
You have this and him?
No, just separate.
That? What were you drinking?
Just water, please.
Alright. It's gonna be 27 to you.
Is there any certain place you like to sit?
Just any table. It's fine.
Are you going?
Just a water.
What's that?
Camera. I have to commemorate my experience here.
I hear you. You live far away?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
I live in Oklahoma.
Oh man, that is a ways.
I used to come here as a kid.
Oh,
So,
well, welcome back. I just need an autograph real quick.
sure. Anywhere on this? Or on the other
On this one here.
Together?
Hang on, give me 2 seconds. That is a meal deal.
Would either of you like pickles or horseradish?
I'd like
Both? Any
Toast
for
you
you?
good.
No, thank you.
Alright, and this is you. Enjoy. And for you.
Are you right over by the window here?
Thank you, ma'am.
I like these old onions.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. Got that old one. Anyway, this place is awesome. I love it.
I don't think you plan on
We
going
used to have this really elaborate condiment bar, but I guess not so much anymore.